Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This video will be learning how to disable auto updates or Windows auto updates on your PC. So let's say down to stop automatically updates from your Windows 11. So yeah, updates can actually be really annoying because they bring out things you don't like and change your whole system. Yeah, we all know that. So that's when people like why are you making this video? So that's one reason, and also to prevent high data consumption on your PC. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, open your settings right here, and just scroll down. This is here, so you can find your Windows update very easy here. Windows update. So you can see I have a lot of updates I've not downloaded here, and driver updates. Wow, yeah, so what you have to do is to scroll down and locate advanced options. Then click on advanced options. And the next thing to do is to click on delivery optimization. Click on delivery optimization and say allow downloads from other device. Make sure this is actually turned off first. So make sure that is actually turned off and just go back to your advanced options and look for this option here. So once you scroll down, you're going to get to see something like this. Download updates over metered connection. So switch this off so you won't get to update your listen with metered connections. And the final step to do here is to close this and try to open your service application. So this should permanently block, not permanently, you can go ahead to manually fix it back. So tap here on this and click on you. So once you click on you, it's going to take you to this. So you can see I've gotten to you and I've seen update orchestrator service. So update orchestrator service. So double tap on this. What you have to do is to switch on this automatic delete start to disabled and click on stop. So once this is done, click on apply and okay. So you can see I've stopped this. So you can open this again to check it is disabled and it is stopped. That's one. Now go ahead to your Windows update, double tap on it again, and just click here on disabled and change your service status to stop. So just click on stop, and this is going to stop it. And click here on advanced, apply rather, and click on OK. So with this, you've turned off automatic updates, and your PC won't automatically update on its own again. So if you found this video useful, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.